Hello dear students, welcome back to the class 7. So in the last class we have completed with your new chapter, that is integers, and in this class you are going to start with a new chapter, that is fractions and decimals. Okay, so you are going to start with new chapter, that is chapter number 2, that is fractions and decimals. Okay, so you are going to study the chapter number 2, that is fractions and decimals. Okay, so in the fractions and decimals, first thing you are going to study, that is definition of fraction. Definition of fraction. Okay, and second thing you are going to study, that is types of fraction. Types of fraction. And third thing you are going to study, that is conversion of improper fraction. Conversion of improper fraction. Conversion of improper fraction to mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. And one more thing you are going to study, that is conversion of that is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. Conversion of mixed fraction to improper fraction. To improper fraction. So these all concepts you are going to study. Okay, so these concepts you are going to study for the first, that is for this session. It is definition of fraction, types of fraction, conversion of improper fraction to mixed fraction, and conversion of mixed fraction to improper fraction. So one by one we study in this introduction part of the fractions and decimals. Okay, so first thing I am going to study, that is definition of fraction. So what is the definition of fraction? Okay, so see here, definition of fraction says the numbers expressed, the fraction definition says the number expressed in the form of the numbers expressed in the form of a by b. The numbers expressed in the form of a by b, where b is not equals to 0. The numbers expressed in the form of a by b, where b is not equals to 0. And what are these a and b says? A and b are integers. A and b are natural numbers. Are natural numbers. So this is the definition of fraction, that is the numbers expressed in the form of a by b. The numbers expressed in the form of a by b, b is not equals to 0, and a and b are natural numbers. Such type of numbers are called fraction. Is called fraction, you can write. Is called the number expressed, you write the number expressed in the form of a by b, b is not equals to 0, a and b are natural numbers, is called fraction. So this is the definition of fraction. Okay, so now we need what is the example for this fraction. So example for fraction, I write 1 by 2, next I write 3 by 2, next I write 1 integer 1 by 2. So these are the examples for fraction. So examples are given as 1 by 2, 3 by 2 and 1 integer 1 by 2. So definition of fraction says the number expressed the number expressed in the form of a by b. So this is very very important, a by b. B is not equals to 0, a and b are natural numbers, is called that is fraction. Example I have suggested 1 by 2, 3 by 2 and one integer 1 by 2. Okay, so now our next concept in introduction part of the fractions, that is you are going to study, that is types of fraction. So what are the types of fraction we are going to study? Okay, so see here next is types of fraction. Types of fraction. So in the types of fraction, that is first fraction you are going to study, that is proper fraction. Proper fraction. The first video, that is first concept is proper fraction. So what is definition of proper fraction? In the previous classes you have learned the fraction also, the types of fraction also. Here we are revising and getting the introduction part of fraction. Okay, so proper fraction says a fraction in which numerator is less than denominator. Numerator is less than, a fraction in which numerator is less than denominator. Denominator is called proper fraction. Proper fraction. So this is very, very important definition. So based on this we continue the fraction part. Of fraction in which numerator is less than denominator is called proper fraction. Here see the condition, so you can write in the bracket, you can write this as numerator is less than denominator. Okay, and examples for the proper fraction you can give as 1 by 2. Example 1 by 2, because here numerator is 1 and denominator is 2. So which is the bigger number? The bigger number is the denominator and the smaller number is 1. Okay, so 1 is less than 2, so you can here see it is proper fraction. Again you can write as 2 by 3. Again you can write as, that is 5 by 6. So these are the examples for proper fraction. Okay, a fraction in which numerator is less than denominator is called proper fraction, because here numerator is less than denominator. Examples 1 by 2, 2 by 3 and 5 by 6. So this is the definition and concept of proper fraction. Okay, so next we are going to study, that is the second type. Second type we are studying, that is improper fraction. Improper fraction, a fraction in which numerator is greater. Just you have to, instead of less, you have to change the sign, that is the word greater. A fraction in which, that is in which numerator is greater than denominator is called, you have to write as improper fraction. You have to write as improper fraction. Okay, so fraction in which numerator is greater than, so greater than, just this word is very, very important. In the proper fraction less than, here in the improper fraction it is greater than. A fraction in which numerator is greater than denominator is called improper fraction. Here condition you have to change. Here condition is numerator is greater than denominator. Okay, so example you can write this as 5 by 2, 3 by 2, 6 by 5. Okay, here see 5 is greater and denominator 2 is lesser. So this is the example for improper fraction. 3 by 2, 3 is greater and denominator 2 is lesser. 6 is greater, 5 is lesser. So such type of fractions you can call as improper fraction. Okay, and that is the last part, that is the last types of fraction you are going to study, that is you are going to study is a mixed fraction. Okay, so third part, that is the third definition says, that is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. So this is the third type of fraction. The fraction which is having whole and its fraction, that is part. a fraction is a mixed fraction is a fraction combination of whole and its parts. A fraction is a combination. A mixed fraction is a combination of whole and its part. Or you can write example, you can give, that is one integer 1 by 2. One integer 1 by 2 is an example of mixed fraction. A fraction is a combination of whole and its part. Means here one integer 1 by 2, 2 integer 3 by 4, comma 3 integer 3 by 6. So these are the examples for mixed fraction. So a fraction is a combination of whole and its part. Example, you can write 1 integer 1 by 2, 2 integer 3 by 4 and 3 integer 3 by 6. So these are the types of fraction. First fraction we have studied, that is a proper fraction. Second one we have studied as improper fraction. Third one we have done with mixed fraction. Okay, so now this is the types of fraction and definition of fraction. Okay, now our next part. What is our next part? That is conversion of improper fraction. Conversion of improper fraction to mixed fraction. So this is very important definition, that is conversion of improper fraction to mixed fraction. By example you will come to know. So I want to convert the conversion of example number 1, that is 3 by 2. Alright, the second example as 5 by 3. So I want to convert this is in the form of 3 by 2 is in the form of improper fraction. Convert in the form of mixed fraction, that is 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2, remaining is 1, 2. So 1 integer 1 by 2. So 2 ones are 2, remaining is 1 integer 1 by 2. Or you can go with 2 of 3, that is 2 ones are 2. So that is 3 minus 2, which is equals to 1. Okay, so here 2 ones are, remaining is 1, that is remainder, and which the number which you are dividing, that is divisor, is 2. Okay, so 1 integer 1 by 2. So 1 integer 1 by 2. 1 integer 1 by 2. This is 2 ones are, remaining is 1 integer 1 by 2. Similarly, what will be this answer? 5 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So 6 is greater than 5. So you can write 3 ones are 3, remaining is 2, 2 by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 integer, that is 3 ones are, remaining is 2, 1 integer 2 by 3. Or you can write this 5 by 3. You can write 3 ones are 3, that is 5 minus 3, which is equals to 2. Okay, so see here 5 minus 3. So here 3, 1 integer 2 by 3, 2 by 3. Okay, so this is the conversion of improper fraction to mixed fraction. Okay, now our next concept is you are going to study conversion of mixed fraction to improper fraction. So these are very important concepts in the introduction part of the fraction. That is next part you are having as conversion of mixed fraction conversion of mixed fraction to improper fraction. Okay, so this is very important part. Okay, so conversion of mixed fraction to improper fraction. So first one, see example I choose, that is 1 integer 2 by 3. second example I choose 5 integer 3 by 6. Okay, so now I want to convert this conversion of, so here 1 integer 2 by 3 is in the form of mixed fraction. Similarly 5 integer 3 by 6 in the form of mixed fraction. So 3 ones are 3. First step you have to multiply 3 ones are 3. Next you have to then you have to add with 2. So 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 2 which is equals to 5 by 3. Okay, so 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 2 which is equals to 5 by 3. Similarly 6 5s are 30. 6 5s are 30. So go with 6 table. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 3. Yeah, next step you have to add, that is 30 plus 3 which is equals to 33 by 6. 33 by 6. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus which is equals to 33 by 6. Okay, so this is the concept you are going to have learned in this video, that is definition of fraction, types of fraction, that is definition of proper fraction, example for proper fraction, then definition of improper fraction, example for improper fraction. Next you have learned, that is definition of mixed fraction, example for mixed fraction, and also you have learned the concept of conversion of improper fraction to mixed fraction and conversion of mixed fraction to improper fraction and improper fraction to mixed fraction. And these are some examples. Now for today's homework, what you have to do, just you have to take 10 examples, conversion of improper fraction to mixed fraction of your own and conversion of mixed fraction to improper fraction. 10 examples you have to solve and you have to send me on my WhatsApp number.